guys, we have a package. It is a magnifying glass light. It comes well packaged. We have the instructions. Some right here. They give you a cleaning cloth, a desk clamp, a charging block, and the actual lamp. It is a magnifying light. It's Nov's big. How you say that? N-O-V-E. Novi's big. But you can see the magnification. And then they have the up and down buttons and power buttons on the near the magnification. This swivels. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and set this up. It's like an arm. Oh, it's a USB. And the charging block comes with it. Let me see how long this cord is. See, will it reach over there? So this obviously fits into the into this block. Okay, so that's what the and then this, hold on. I know this clamps onto the desk, but what are those nails for? Oh, I think, hold on. Yeah, so you have to put these together. Y'all really could have had this together in the factory. Hold on. They give you 5 of these and then an Allen's wrench. But it's only 4 holes. And this is the last one. Okay. So now it's in there really snug. Now you secure, this thing is long. This is about 3 feet. Oh man. But now you adjust this to your desk. Gotta be careful. Don't be near no windows with this thing. It's pretty sturdy. It's like a heavy metal. Let me see, the desk ain't that big. Let me see. There you go. Ah! Don't break my phone. What is this? Oh, this table got a... Oh, okay, we'll put it on the other side. Because this is something right here. There you go. Let me tighten this up. Am I going back there? Oh. Okay, so now it's secured to the desk. Now you can bring it down. Oh. Oh. And, okay. I'm kind of, can you turn it this way? How do you get it? Oh, you could flip it. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, so I just plugged it in and the light turned blue. Okay, there is the light. That's the dimming down, and you can go up. It's a positive. It's a negative for down and positive for... I got these nails on. It's a positive. Okay. Okay, and then something... What is the reverse thing about? Oh, you can change the colors. Okay. And then that's the power. So since it's a magnifying, let me see. Okay. So you can work with something really tedious with this thing. Press the switch button to turn the light on. We did that. Adjust the brightness color. We did that. Position the magnifier. Align the magnifier lens with the work area and adjust the distance for the best view. Turn down the brightness. Light does not turn on. Oh, this is troubleshooting. Okay. Let's see. It's a LED light. 146 SMD. The rating voltage is 110. I showed you that. This is the material is aluminum alloy metal. K9 it's a K9 optical lens. It's a magnifying lens. And so we already secured the clamp and did all that. You see, wipe the lens and the body with a clean soft cloth. So you can either use a fiber cloth, and they sent us the cloth. Oh yeah, this is the cloth they sent us. It's similar to the one I already had, the little blue fiber cloth. Let's see how big it is. Oh, it's like your glasses cleansing cloth. So, and you store it in dry, ventilated place when not in use. Regularly check the power cord and the plug for damage and replace if necessary. Okay, so this is the light. It is the magnifying glass lamp. It will be on my Amazon store. Okay, this is what I was looking for. It says magnifying glass with light, 12 times magnifier, desk lamp, close workup for desktop crafting, reading, sewing, soldering, and etc. So this will be on my Amazon store, and thank you for watching my video.